Hello everybody and welcome again to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe, activate the notification bell and hit that like button. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about how many Forex pairs you should follow at the same time. This is quite, an important topic because, when I speak with new traders, they tend to follow like 100 pairs, at a time. When instead, I think you should follow just one. Yeah, this is the final, answer, and I'm gonna explain why you should follow just one pair at a time. Okay. The first reason is correlation, okay? Let me just write here on the virtual whiteboard, correlation. Okay, so first of all, the correlation. So when you are trading, for example, euro dollar, at the same time, it's like you trading USD against the yen, or GBP against the USD, and so forth. So as long as the same pair appears in different on different spots, in different pairs, they are all correlated. Meaning that if you are long here, it's like you been buying here or shorting this pair. So the first reason why you should follow just one pair at every single time is because of correlation. Okay, so correlation is very important to understand. Okay, one of the other reasons that you should follow just one pair at a time, especially if you are a beginner, is this one is second is risk. Because you see, if you are risking 1% per trade every single trade, okay, and you are buying euro against dollar, if you have something like GBP USD, for example, okay, you buying 1% here and you're buying 1% here, the total risk amount for the same trade, because this is the same trade if you buy, or even if you sell, is 2%. So your risk doesn't make any sense in this case, okay? So again, you should follow just one pair every single time. So this is why I usually follow just one pair at a time. Now, am I saying that basically you should just, again, like, don't care about what's happening in the market? No, I mean, you should be aware of what is happening in the market at every single given time. But at the same time, you shouldn't take any trade apart from your main pair that you're following. Sometimes you will see that one pair is going to be flat for most of the time. Like, you have, let's say you have one chart here and you see you had a major spike and then, it's ranging here. Okay, maybe you don't want to trade this pair. And then you see another pair that basically just broke above a certain level. So basically this is trending and this one is ranging. Maybe this is euro against the dollar, and this is, I don't know, like CAD against the I don't know, JBP. Okay, so in this case there is no correlation. You're following two pairs, they are completely uncorrelated, but in this period of time, you're not following this pair, but you're following this pair. Because, at the end of the day, you're just following one pair again. Because this is ranging, this one, and this is trending, and you will follow just the trending one, okay? So guys, I hope this is going to be, a useful video for you guys. It's very quick, I know. If you want to check out the links in the description, If you want to be helped as a Forex trader, check the link in the description because it's gonna be very useful for you, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any video, and to smash the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.